Hi guys, today we'll talk about another functionality that we have on the Proxmox, an enterprise functionality, which is a high availability functionality target on a virtual machine. To achieve that, let's suppose that your service is ongoing and you have some services which are ongoing on the virtual machine, and with no reason your virtual machine goes down. If the functionality of high availability has been activated for this machine, space critical machine, automatically the cluster will regenerate or will recreate another machine to put up this virtual machine. So let's see how we can achieve this one. The first level to create the high availability functionality on the virtual machine, let's go to the data center level. Okay, from there, and from there you have to go to go down to HA, high availability. Okay, at this level, the first action that you have to do is to go after to be on the HA level, you go to group. Okay, and from group you have to create a group first of all, a group of a node on which we have applied or you have to apply the high availability functionality. Okay, so let's see first cluster HA, for example. Okay, and I will apply it for the whole cluster. Okay, let's be restricted and we no fallback. For it is another function that we can explain in another episode. Okay, let's apply it on all these nodes. So all these nodes can have the ability to receive a copy or another any machine that will be fall down. Okay, for example, if I have a server which is on Proxmox 1 and this server goes down with no reason, automatically the system can recreate and start a new version of or a new virtual machine based on the last one on Proxmox 1 or on Proxmox 2 or Proxmox 3 based on the loader of any virtual machine. Okay, but if I disable this one, for example, the system will start the new virtual machine on Proxmox 1 or 2 only. Okay, in my case I will check this the third one also in order to let the system to check the resource on the whole my nodes in order to put up my virtual machine. Okay, if this virtual machine goes down with no reason, let's create it. Good. And once done that, the next step is to go to the HA level. Okay, from there I have to click on add. Click add and specify on which virtual machine you want to apply the HA. Okay, for example, for my case, I will say I want to apply it on this virtual machine in Mutu clone, for example. Okay, let's do it. The state will be let's perform it to 2. Okay, and add. This means that for this particular virtual machine, the HR functionality has been applied. So if for any reason or for no reason, this machine goes down, the system will automatically regenerate this virtual machine. Let's do it. Let's perform an example. For example, we log on this machine now. Okay. See my keyboard that I have to Okay, so let's say that you want to really shut down this server, for example. With no reason, the system goes down. Okay, let's see it. It is down. You have shut down the VM automatically with no reason. Finish power off, and let's see what will happen. Automatically, the system have detected that the server is goes down, and we will start it again. Okay, it is wonderful, powerful, and it is a use functionality that you can apply on your any critical server that you have in your system. Okay, so that's all for the VMHA that you can apply to any system or any virtual machine in your cluster. Okay, so thank you very much, and let's enjoy it. We will talk about another functionality in another session. Thank you very much, and see you.